Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be trying the One Size Ultra Setting Powder in this shade Ultra Pink. It's a monkey that was right in my ear. It says light blush pink setting powder. So I've been seeing some people use this stuff. I don't know how it looks, but we're about to find out. So let's get our base done and try it out. I'm starting out with my antioxidant pre-serum. Okay, this serum helps your other serum soak in better, and it's really high in antioxidants, which are good for maturing skin. If you're starting to get wrinkles. Resurfacer, this is called Fake ID. By the way, everything will be linked below in the description. This is amazing, okay? This helps with acne, fine lines and wrinkles. It also like exfoliates your skin. This is like one of the things that was missing in my skincare regime that made a huge difference. Then I'm gonna go in with Youth Accelerator. This is specifically for fine lines and wrinkles. It's an anti-aging serum. And last but not least is this eye cream. This is for eye bags, darkness around the eyes, and wrinkles and puffiness, which I usually just have a lot of redness around my eyes. This camera lighting is so weird sometimes. Should have changed my shirt or something. It's probably my white on my shirt. Changed my shirt, that really didn't do anything, so I think it's just my camera. Photoshop mattifying primer. I mix this in with bronzing drops. Bronzing drops give you an instant tan and it just washes off. Bronze look, which is so nice. Monkey, are you helping? I'm obsessed with this foundation. So it's an anti-aging foundation. It's so good. And I just dot this all over and then I start to blend it out once I press it into the skin. But look at that, it just covers up all the redness, all the little blemishes, and it looks really natural. It just makes your skin look like it's glowing. So Monkey is my first bird. He would always accompany me whenever I would do my makeup tutorials. So like he loves to sit here and listen to me talk, and sometimes he falls asleep, which is so funny. If you've been following me for a while, you know I have another bird. The other bird does not like to do this. The other bird gets like really antsy and gets annoyed, and he doesn't like to sit here. So that's why the other bird is not here. Cream, it's a cream stick. Stuff is so good, okay? Cheekbones, around the forehead, down the nose, and underneath the lip. I like to add a little bit. Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you have to go to the bathroom? He's potty trained, so he knows when he's got to go. He gets really antsy when he has to go, which he just went like 10 minutes ago. Blush stick. This is the color Cora. This is a new blush stick I got, and I'm obsessed with it. So some people like to just swipe this on their face. I don't like to do that because I feel like it disturbs, you know, what we already set down. So I just like to tap it on like this. Okay, and then I guess we could have did this before setting powder, but I'm gonna do setting powder after this. And then I kind of just blend it out a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna try out this new setting powder. So this is the mini, by the way. They have a bigger size. I figured I would start with the smaller one and see if I like it. It's kind of like a, oh, I'm spilling it everywhere. I usually like my under eyes really bright, so I hope this doesn't take away any of the brightness. Maybe you won't even notice it. Y'all, I put that on and I feel like there's just like instant dry skin under my eyes, and I exfoliate a lot. I'm gonna try the other setting powder and see what happens, because I was not expecting that. I was looking in my mirror, I was like, why does it look so weird? Just like instantly stuck to all the dry skin under my eyes, because I definitely have dry skin, but holy mackerels, that just made it pop out really bad. I was not expecting that. Okay, let's try this setting powder. This is the one I usually use. So I'm just gonna, I don't wanna like say it's the setting powder if it's not, so I gotta try this one and see. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit of the setting powder. This one looks a lot better. I don't even know if you probably can't see up that close, but it really didn't, I'm disappointed. It really didn't, like I thought it would actually look pink a little bit, and you don't really see anything. I like that it doesn't smell like anything though, which is cool. I'm kind of scared to put it on the rest of my face because it does make my dry skin look a little worse. So I'm just going to use this other setting powder instead. I'll have to exfoliate under my eyes a little bit better and try it again and see how it looks. Anyways, we got to do bronzer. This is the Say bronzer. It's like a cream bronzer. I bought it and I thought it was a powder and it's actually a cream. I want to go get a smoothie bowl. Do you have to go? Or do you just want to be by the camera? I can't tell. We'll bring you to go potty. How about that? I just blend everything out with this big fluffy brush that literally has nothing on it. Just blend everything out. Oh, his feet are warm. He definitely probably has to go. Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Monkey went potty. I don't think he really had to go yet, but at least he went, so we don't have to go. But yeah, he's got like a bunch of, I'm trying to show you his head on the camera. You can't really see it, but he has like a bunch of little bald spots. Embarrassing, because your brother's a big bully. My luminizer on, which is this golden champagne color. Oh, so pretty. I need to get all new brushes. All my brushes are falling apart. You can go down there if you want. There you go. Eyebrows are kind of wonky sometimes. So I comb them out, unless I'm doing quick brows, then I use this. But brush it out. Oh, now he's coming up. I use the Kat Von D brow pomade. This is the color Taupe 20. The perfect color. Bam. It's by NARS. I'll link it below, but it's so pretty. You got these burgundies, so you got a lot of metallic holographic colors, and then you got a couple matte shades in here. I'm gonna do this color again. I'm addicted to this color, it's so pretty. And we are just gonna pop that right in the crease here. Best tips for eyeshadow blending, always hold your brush at the end like this and use really light pressure. And then I'm gonna smoke out some of that same color underneath the lower lash line. Like my super old e.l.f. brush. I need to get a new one. Now with these metallics in here, they're very sparkly. So sometimes when you get really sparkly eyeshadows like that, what works really well is to spray like setting spray onto something, dip your brush into it, and then dip it into the shimmers, and they'll just, they'll stick better, they'll collect better, whatever the word I was looking for. I'm gonna do this middle color, this holographic purpley color for something different. There's a pink shimmer in here, but I think we should do, you know, a little pop of purple or something. White matte eyeshadow just to brighten up the eyes, because whenever you do dark eyeshadows like this, it can make your eyes look really small. Just a matte white. So I'm going to use this matte white out of this palette here. And we're just going to pop that into the crease. We could fade it out with this purple. We'll fade it out a little bit with the purple. A little bit of your foundation, and you do a little swipey swipe to clean up your eye edges, and it just makes everything look so clean and sharp, and it kind of gives the illusion that you have a wing, but you don't. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm using this heated lash curler. It takes like 10 seconds to heat up. It'll beep when it's done. I usually do this like 3 times. I want like really nice curled lashes. Mascara, I always do 2 coats of this. This is a lash growth mascara. So it has a lash growth serum built into the mascara. We're gonna go in, this is my new favorite lip liner. It is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the color Chai. So pretty. It's gorgeous. I really like to do this Hush color. It's just like this matte nudish lipstick. I think that looks really good with this lip liner. So I do this, and then I also ombre. So sometimes I'll ombre with concealer, sometimes I'll ombre with other things. This is actually for your under eyes. It's like a concealer type deal. But it works really good as a lip ombre. Like, it's the perfect color. Ow. I won't hold you then. All right, that was probably a little too much. I got distracted, the bird bit me. All right, and I clean up the lip edge with a little bit of that foundation again, and that other brush. I have 2 of these brushes, so this is a different one. I'll do a little bit of gloss today. This is like a holographic gloss. So this is the look without lashes, but I have to do lashes. This is the Style Goddess, and these just connect on with these little magnets. So you get a magnet and then a lash, and it like connects magnetically. So just like that, and you just click on magnets all the way across. So 1, 2, and we got 2 more left. This lash is already trimmed to fit my eye. So when you get your lashes for the first time, whether it's a magnetic one or a glue one, I know you don't have to go to the bathroom. You always want to hold the eyelash up to your eye and like trim it to fit your eye, because if you don't trim it to fit your eye, it's gonna be too big for your eye and it's gonna be really uncomfortable to wear. And it's gonna look weird. It's gonna make your eyes look saggy because it's gonna droop over the edges. Lash starter kits, I'll link it below, but that's what I would recommend you start with versus trying to figure out these little magnets in the beginning, because these little magnets definitely take some practice to learn. And they have like a lash kit that comes with like the applicator and everything, but it comes with clear or magnetic eyeliner, and it makes it way easier to put these on. So I would recommend you start with the lash starter kit, like if you know, hello, no, monkey's not here, he's sleeping. Okay, goodbye. Yeah, it just makes it easier. But there's the lashes, and then like after I'm done, I usually put my hair down. I gotta put jewelry on and stuff, but I gotta run, so I'm not gonna have time. Oh my gosh, I forgot how long my hair is. Put it down, I'm like, wow. This is my real hair, by the way. No hair extensions. A little more bronzer and blush on, to be honest with you. I like to look bronzer or a lot, I guess. I don't know. Yes. A purple blush with this. I think that'll be pretty. This color, I don't think this color is available anymore. But to be honest, you could probably find a dupe. But this is a really pretty color blush, like a purple blush to wear with purple eyeshadows, green eyeshadows, or blues. Oh my goodness. Better off staying there, monkey, or you're gonna get covered in my long hair. I don't know where to part my hair either. I kind of do want to wear a hat. Hats have been my thing lately. I'm gonna show you the hat I'm gonna wear because it's a maroon hat and it looks really good. It would look really good with this makeup. Okay, come on, monkey, let's go get our hat. You guys, I booped his head on the door when I was walking out. His head was like hanging out and it hit the door. Are you okay? I don't mean to do that. It's a hoodie hat type of day, monkey. This hat, this is from 88. They do like car giveaways. But this hat looks so good with my skin tone, but it would look really good with my makeup today. Beanie girl. See my little earrings in there? I need to put a hoodie on, but... Oh, sorry, monkey. You're kind of on the wrong side. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, we need a hoodie. Try to get a sweatshirt on without messing your makeup on. This takes real skill without messing your makeup. Can't talk today. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mickey. Okay. Oh, love these sweatshirts. Oh, if I can find it online, I'll link this sweatshirt for you. But it's the best. It's so thick and fuzzy on the inside, and it has little, like, additional pocket in here to put your keys in it. It's so cool. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. I have some other makeup products we're gonna test out and see if we like them. But thanks for watching. Everything will be linked below. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and we'll see you in the next video. So bye, monkey. Bye. Bye, guys. I just washed my G-Wagon, but I really want to take it out, and the roads are kind of icky, but we're going to take it out anyways. Because I need to drive it. It's been too long. I'm so not used to, like, this one has, like, weird door handle, so you have to unlock it You can't just like touch the handle and it'll unlock automatically, which I'm not used to because all my other cars do that. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna go. Goodbye.